Here we go. Implicit continued. So now we're going to do why is it erasing? There we go. Okay. We are going to find dy dx. All right, so does everybody see that there are not only two terms, because we have subtraction sign, but we also have functions being multiplied by each other, right? We've got x squared times y, and we got y squared times x. So that means we have to use product rule. So we have to use product rule. I'm going to write this out, but you obviously don't need to. So product rule, here we go. What is the derivative of x squared with respect to x? Just 2x. It's a normal derivative. Now, product rule says you multiply the first function, derivative of the first function, times the other function. So I multiply it 2x times y, correct? Yes? Yes? Plus. Then it says the derivative of the second function. So what's the derivative of y? Y primed times the first function. That is the derivative of this bit. That's product rule. Okay. Yes, thank you. X squared. There we go. Okay. Then we have to do the derivative of the second part, this bit, which is product rule again. But you see this little subtraction sign here? This is very important. Put the subtraction sign. When you're subtracting anything, please put brackets, or you will get stuff wrong. Every year, kids will get stuff wrong because they don't put brackets. Okay, so now we do the exact same thing. Product rule says derivative of the first function. What's the derivative of y squared with respect to x? 2y times y primed times the other function, which is plus the derivative of x with respect to x. 1 times the other function, which is y squared, equals 0, because the derivative of any constant is 0. Okay, calculus is over now. Now we got to clean this up. So that negative is going to get distributed in 2xy, y primed x squared, x plus y squared equals 0. What do we do now? So get everything that doesn't have a y primed to the other side and keep the y primes on one side, and minus y squared. Look at, I didn't even listen to my own rules. Thank you. That was the whole point of me putting the brackets. And then I didn't do it. So just remember this multiplies in, right? Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. So we have y primed x squared minus 2y y primed x is equal to y squared minus 2xy. Is that right? Did I do it right? Okay. Then we factor out a y primed. We get x squared minus 2y x And then final step. And that is your derivative. Yes. Why does this y not have a prime? It's because it erased. Sorry. There we go. Thank you. Yeah. Now you can write this whole equation with, instead of having y primed, you write dy dx. It looks like a bit of a gong show. So this is a little more straightforward. All right. One more example. Not for the whole day, but. Are you ready? What number are we on? 2. All right, find dy dx for 2 sine x cos y is equal to what? All right, is there anything we can do to clean it up a little bit? You can divide the 2 off to the other side. You do that. But now we're going to have to use product rule. Are we ready? Are we ready? Are we ready? All right. Product rule says derivative of sine x is cos x times cos of y plus, what's the derivative cosine of y with respect to x? Say it again. Say it. The derivative of cosine is negative sine of y, but we have to multiply by the derivative of y, because it's chain rule, which is y primes. But then you have to multiply by the first function, which was sine x. And what does it all equal? 0, because the derivative of every constant is 0. All right, what do we do now? Move one of them over. I'm going to move the one with the negative. So I got cos x cos y is equal to y prime sine y sine x. What should I do then? Are we good? Huh? Can you rewrite this anyway? What's cos over sine? Cotan x. And cos y over sine y is cotan y. Whoa. And there you go. All right. Was that fun?
Yeah.
Perfect. How many questions did I give? What questions did I give you yesterday? Just 1 and 5, 1, 3, 5? 1 and 3? Well, we can clearly do 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, and 15. Page 145, please.